Yeah, here's our campsite up on the Gunflint for our annual winter camping trip. Obviously, we just got here. Gonna be shoveling out a spot. We gotta haul gear, get it here to the campsite, set up the new winter camping tent, one of the Arctic ovens. I'll pan out onto the lake here. You'll kind of get an idea. Lots of work to get it all set up, but should be pretty nice when we're done. Well, here's the tent pad all shoveled out, which is obviously a big job. Get down to the ground here to put the tent up. Jerry's over here. You can just see his orange hat, I think, in there. We got a big rock bluff here. There's Tom. Bring another load of gear. We definitely have enough stuff, but when we can use a snowmobile to haul things, and we don't worry quite so much about weight and stuff. So being all old guys, the idea of pulling stuff in the boundary waters is maybe beyond our point, but anyway. So now we'll work at trying to get this tent set up. Well, here's the oven tent set up. It's dark. I didn't get a chance to film it going up because it was getting too dark, and we were trying to get the tent up. Learned a couple things, of course, the first time. New tent, new procedures. But man, it's warm.
But the same old campers.
Same old campers, that's right.
Except for we're all 1 year older.
And we got the vestibule out here. Got the door open, it's plenty warm. It's kind of almost a sleet outside, so the fly on this new tent will be nice.
Guess what I found?
Uh-oh. Corbell time.
Yeah, we're just going to have to celebrate. You got to celebrate your successes when you're as old as we are. But first you got to sit down.
This is Tom. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Can't say that. Can't swear on camera here.
Really?
Turn your light off.
Can't swear on camera. I'll have to. I'm going to really try hard. Couldn't we just do it PG-13?
Yeah, we could. We'll try.
So look at, I'm nice and comfy. And Jerry and I set up his fish house over on the lake over here, so where it's sleeting outside now. So it's going to be glorious. And we're staying for 3 nights instead of 2.
I'll show you that setup tomorrow in the daylight, how they set up their little camp down there. And obviously tonight I'll set up a cot in here and over on this side, I think.
It was plenty light when we started. It took a long time. We hauled, what, 4 or 5 loads on the skidoo?
Yep. Most people would say we haul too much gear, but rather have too much than not enough. So.
Yep.
Anyway, we'll get back at you here in a while. Jerry's setting up a new hole. We're gonna trial a few little spots, see how it goes. Figure out what depth they're in here, and pick up a couple. Well, there's the first trout. It's not a huge one, but I guess we break the ice. It's an edible one.
They're down there now. He's biting again.
Tom's got one going here.
Did you let him take it for a while, Jerry?
No, hit him hard right away.
So we'll see if we can pull some more up off the bottom. Jerry's getting a fish over there. We'll see what he pulls up. Another little guy.
Not quite there.
I just caught a second one here a bit ago that was a little bigger than the first one I caught, but not as big as Tom's.
No.
So we got our 3 fish so far, so we're half of our limit. We'll see what happens. Alright, just caught my third one here, a little bit bigger than the last one. So now between mine and Tom, we got 4, so we're 2 away from our limit this afternoon or today. So if we catch a couple more, we'll have some trout for dinner, and then we'll be able to fish a little more tomorrow. So we'll give her a try. Well, here's the Arctic oven set up during the day of our campsite. We just came in from fishing. We caught 4. Our limit's 6. We're gonna clean some, have them for lunch. Jerry's gonna clean them up and that, so fry them up for lunch, and then we'll be able to go out maybe for the evening and catch a couple more or something. We'll give her a try. I'll open this tent here and show you the inside now a little bit more during the daylight. So this Arctic oven is the multi-cam rain fly on it with the vestibule. So the vestibule here, you can store a lot of gear out here. Got some firewood. Got packs. We put other stuff here for the evening. And here we have inside the stove on the Arctic oven goes center towards the back. There's my cot, just tipped over now, so we got some more room when we're not sleeping. So this is one of Don Cavallis's wood stoves from Four Dog Stoves. Another good place to look on the internet for quality winter camping equipment. Don makes it all himself. This is a steel one, a little bit heavier. He also makes titanium, but those obviously run a little more. Here's your chimney. There's a window in the back if you want to open. Your fire jack. There's a little hanger we put our lantern in the evening. Just put a little clothesline across to hang your stuff to dry it out. And the white material you see here is a material called Vapex, so all of your moisture goes out through the wall and makes it nice and warm and dry in here.
Yeah. Look at here.
Tom just caught a fish down below here. We drilled a hole so we can get some water out of the lake, you know, for washing dishes and things like that. So he just dropped his line down and he caught another one right in front of the camp here. So another one to fry up for lunch. That makes 5. Now the red tent you see over on the side, that's Jerry's ice fishing tent. But actually Jerry and Tom have their sleeping gear in there, and that's where they slept last night. So made for a pretty comfortable evening for them. I sleep in the tent for the night, and usually I'm the first one up in the morning, make coffee, get it nice and warm. So anyway, we'll be back with some more video on this trip. Well, here we are, day 2 of fishing, and we got a bad deal on the lake here. If you look around, I hope you can see it, all this slush, just from people punching holes, and then naturally on the lake too. Jerry's over here giving it a try. You see the snowmobile over next to shore there. We got We didn't get stuck coming out here going through the slush, but we got stuck over there because the sled weighed so much from all the stuff stuck to it that we couldn't pull it, so we had to get that off. And like I say, if you look down here, you'll just see, look at the footprints here, all full of water. So we're even contemplating whether we should stay the whole day and get out in the morning, or if we catch a couple more fish, we'll have our limit. Maybe we'll break down camp today and get out of here early, and then get to Tom's place and stay overnight there and get our gear organized and stuff. So we're just going to play it by ear and see what happens, but the slush is a bad deal.